something single that I'm excited about. If anyone ever asks you to say what's Lethu Sky's favorite, Toba. Toba for me, Toba means upenduka, repent, both in Swahili and isiZulu. But Toba also is to humble yourself, Toba in isiZulu, but it's also to repent. And Toba, I think because I love dancing, I look at all this different sounds that I've done, still my piano, but Toba for me is that one single I was dancing from day one, And Toba is literally, it's a dance song. It's a dance song. It's like the other single that I've got in collaboration with James. It's a dance log song. It's a dance song. I've been testing it even, myself, because I listen to a lot of music when I train at the gym, when I run, when I'm outside activities. It's a song you could play. You could play it at a birthday party. You could play it at a club. You could play it at a youth service. You could play it while at home, washing the dishes. That's when we get time to listen to music, doing house chores, cleaning. So I'm excited about Toba so much because I can see it. I can see it being danced to. I can see it, on TikTok, just people playing around with it. And I said the video, I can just see a lot of like that club light night, So yeah, I'm excited. Dance song, it's got that log drum, you sort of can hear. And I remember I had this vision, when you get the bad news in South Africa, you'll go, Mama, yo. When they say someone died or something, there's an accident. And I had that, and I'm excited because I can just see even the, people dancing to it, training to it, parties, club being played, with other DJs as a part of the list, because it's a beautiful song. Over and above the message, Toba and one of the songs that I'm excited to see what the reaction of people is. And sometimes, just looking at how people react, when people don't know that it's your song, just to see how the response is. So I'm excited about that. Toba for me, yeah, and it was important to build that, not to box myself into one sound. Hence we gave each single a breather. I mean, the EP is coming, which will consolidate all the songs, but we wanted to give still its own time. I wanted to give Imfuyo Zizwe, I wanted to give Toba. Then you could just hear the different textures. Yes, it's Mapiano, but differently. And obviously the three-stepper, which we are also experiencing with, which I'm excited about. It's part of the EP. Normal church songs with some hymns and some familiar songs. So, but Toba for me, it's one of those songs that I'm excited. So thank you very much. Siyabonga, ngiyabonga, and for all the support out there. And yeah, we look forward to it. Lisaning kahle, lisaning bila, kwaheri.
Inhliziyo ehlanziwe igazi.